We're on a roof in Hazlet, New Jersey, dealing with a raccoon issue. Here, you could see a brand new attic fan that the homeowner installed. The only problem is, he installed the attic fan while there was a raccoon in his attic. This liner here is made out of vinyl, and the raccoon ripped it up to get out. So to safely remove the raccoon, we're going to install an attic fan cover with a positive set attached to it. Alright, so here's the final setup. We cut a hole in the attic fan cover where the access point is, and set up a positive set. The positive set is a nose cone that safely guides the raccoon into a heavy-duty 2-gated trap. So when the raccoon exits through the attic fan, it'll go through the positive set and be safely caught. We also set up a baited trap nearby. We also have a sensor on the trap that'll send us a text message when the raccoon is in the device. When it does, we will relocate the raccoon to a new humane location, disinfect the attic, and close up the hole in the attic fan cover.